Ever feel like the world of investing is a giant club you weren't invited to? Confusing jargon, high fees, a broker who speaks a language only financial wizards understand. There's a reason why so many people, especially young people, feel left out. But what if I told you there was a way to invest that's easy to understand, affordable, and even kind of fun? Enter Wealthsimple, the investment platform designed for the rest of us. But before you jump in, you might be wondering, just how many people are using Wealthsimple? Are we talking a small, exclusive group, or a full-blown investment revolution? That's what we're diving into today. We'll crack open the numbers, explore Wealthsimple's growth, and see what it means for the future of investing. Buckle up, because we're about to demystify the world of wealth management, one simple explanation at a time. Now, Wealthsimple itself is relatively young. Founded in 2014, it aimed to break down the barriers to entry for everyday people. Forget intimidating phone calls and mountains of paperwork. Wealthsimple promised a user-friendly app, clear communication, and a focus on making your money grow, not lining their own pockets. So, did it work? Well, let's look at the cold, hard data. As of December 2022, Wealthsimple boasts over 2 million clients. That's a massive jump from just a few years back, where they had a mere 500,000 users. This explosive growth suggests a real appetite for a new kind of investing experience. But numbers can be a little dry, right? Let's translate this into real-world terms. Imagine a stadium packed with 2 million people, all cheering on their financial future. That's the kind of community Wealthsimple has cultivated. It's a movement away from the old guard of finance and towards a more accessible, transparent investing landscape. Of course, with such a large user base, you might be curious about who exactly is using Wealthsimple. Traditionally, investing skewed older, with established careers and a chunk of change to put away. Wealthsimple, however, seems to be attracting a new generation. Their focus on tech-savvy features and a user-friendly interface resonates with millennials and Gen Z who grew up with smartphones in their hands. This shift is significant. It suggests a future where investing isn't just for the wealthy elite, but for everyone with an internet connection and a few bucks to spare. It's a democratization of finance, putting the power to grow your wealth directly in your hands. But here's the thing, growth isn't everything. We need to know if this massive user base is actually making money. Thankfully, Wealthsimple seems to be delivering on its core promise. They offer a variety of investment options, from robo-advisors that automate your portfolio to self-directed investing for the more adventurous. Their fees are also significantly lower than traditional brokers, meaning more of your hard-earned cash goes towards your goals, not paying someone else to manage it. So, what does this all mean? Well, for one, it suggests that Wealthsimple is here to stay. They've tapped into a real need for a simpler, more approachable way to invest. Their rapid growth shows that people are hungry for an alternative to the status quo. But more importantly, it signifies a shift in the way we think about money. It's no longer this mystical, complicated thing reserved for a chosen few. With platforms like Wealthsimple, taking control of your financial future is becoming easier than ever. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, investing doesn't have to be scary. There's a whole world of opportunity out there, and Wealthsimple might just be the perfect gateway to get you started. Do your research, ask questions, and most importantly, take charge of your financial future. You've got this.